that is a wrap on Cerberus, our RAM 1500 TRX sweepstakes on June 15th at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I will be calling the winner from an 858 phone number once we receive the name from Compliance Sweepstakes Services, our third-party sweepstakes administrator that is conducting a blind drawing as we speak. It's the most exciting part of my job, so let me know in the comments if you think you are our number 10 winner. You're officially our 6th winner. You are the grand prize winner of Hercules. You are actually our 7th winner and proud new owner of Kronos, our Unreal Jeep Gladiator, and $20,000 in cash, my man. We've had winners from all over the country, including the great state of Hawaii. So anyone is eligible to win if you got your entries. If you did not sign up to win, guess what? You are SOL, but our next sweepstakes is gonna start in a couple of days. And if you've been following us for a while, it's an ode to our very first sweepstakes that we've ever done. Jeep people, get ready, because our next build is underway, and in a couple of days we'll announce it to the world. So in the meantime, June 15th, 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, we'll be calling the winner from 858 phone number. Very important. Do not answer any DMs from any company that looks like us. Those are spam accounts. We will only be contacting the winner via phone. So be on the lookout, follow along, and watch the live stream just by going to forge4x4.com or on Instagram and YouTube. Thanks for watching.